Okay, so what we have here is an experiment to see if we can trap hydrogen gas and chlorine gas in these two smaller bottles here and here from a saltwater solution in the 2-liter soda bottle that these are in. And it's in the bag because the 2-liter bottle had a leak in it. Basically what we've done is hooked it up to this battery, and these wires are going to carbon rods that we've pulled out of heavy-duty non-alkaline D batteries. We have them on each side. You have to place a hole in the 2-liter bottle and push the carbon rods through and then seal it up the best you can. And as you can see, our seal didn't work great. And then you hook it up to the battery and it passes electricity through the saltwater solution inside the 2-liter bottle, and we have placed these two smaller bottles over top of each carbon rod down in the 2-liter bottle, and as the electricity goes through, it pulls hydrogen from the water and chlorine from the salt. And since chlorine gas is negatively charged, it's going to go to this positive electrode here, and it's below this bottle. So this bottle is going to have the chlorine gas, and hydrogen gas, being positively charged, is going to go to the negative electrode indicated by the black wire going into that bottle. And what we're going to do to see if the experiment worked is see if we can light the hydrogen gas in this bottle, since hydrogen gas is flammable, and that's going to let us know that the experiment has worked. And so we're going to try to do that now. Over here.
Woo! Damn!
As you can see, the hydrogen gas was very flammable, and this bottle should smell of very strong chlorine.
Yep. Smells like a pool.
Yep. Very, very strong chlorine smell in that bottle. So we know now that our experiment has worked, and this was all very cheap to set up. The two bottles, I mean, you get the bottles from Empty Drinks. You can get a 2-liter bottle pretty much anywhere. These are just water bottles. We had to get the cords from Walmart. We got the kind with the springs, the clamps on it, and those are just a couple bucks. The battery here is a lantern battery. You also get that at Walmart. They're about $4. It's pretty cheap to set up. Just the carbon rods came, like I said, from non-alkaline heavy-duty D batteries. You just take the battery apart and pull them out. It's not that hard to do. And we've had the electricity running through this for about 10, maybe 15 minutes, and as you could see from the hydrogen that we just lit, it was a sufficient amount in each bottle, so it doesn't take very long to do. We got this experiment from Kevin Dunn's Caveman chemistry book. It's a book that he wrote explaining how to make numerous types of things such as paper, ceramics, metals, glass, fertilizer, plastics, pretty much anything you can think of. You can find out how to make it from that book. He's a professor here at Hampden-Sydney College. He is our second semester chemistry professor and a very smart guy. And just a neat little experiment you can do at home. Probably cost 15 to 20 bucks to make the whole thing, and there's really no danger involved in it. Just don't make too much hydrogen, blow your house up or anything like that. Don't do it near any flammable substances. But that's pretty much it.